and step back and then come back at it harder than ever before. And I remember every day that I made videos. I remember every single video that I've ever made. I remember the people that I've met on this journey. I remember the people that I've lost. And every single moment in my mind coming to this point where I'm so lucky to be in a position where you guys look up to me with hope, and you look to me for guidance. And I try my best to be able to provide that to you, and I try my best to provide entertainment to you, and I try my best. And this weird ride that I've been on, especially this past year. This past year has been such an emotional, growing point for me. And again, I'm not crying because I'm sad. I don't want anyone to ever think that. It may be sad memories have happened in my life, but I don't regret a single one of them. Past mistakes and everything that's led to this point, those moments made me who I am.